Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. In this set of videos, I will explain how to work with fractions and PEMDAS. In other words, order of operations with fractions, okay? That includes converting fraction into a decimal, and that includes converting a mixed number into a decimal. This is an exercise taken from the Cambridge test, checkpoint, and GCSE, or a progression test. Okay, so the instruction is calculate, and I will explain in this video how to do it. So welcome to this explanation. Let's do it. Let's begin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave space to figure it out or to work out. So let's see if this space can be my workout. This is my figure it out or my workout space. Workout. Okay? So in this space, I'm going to solve, and this is going to be my space to work out, right? So let's start working with this. So step number one, I have to convert or to change all the mixed numbers we have into an improper fraction. So remember, to convert a mixed number into improper fraction, we multiply the whole part by the denominator, and then we add the numerator. So we multiply, then we add. So 3 1/4 is 3 times 4 plus 1. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is the same than 13 over 4. We keep the same denominator. Remember, we keep the same denominator. Let's apply the same strategy with the next fraction. 1 times 2, yes, is 2. 2 plus 1, 3, and we keep the same denominator. So this is 3 over 2. Plus 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is 4, and we keep the same denominator. According to PEMDAS, we have to solve the addition or the parentheses. Remember, PEMDAS means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, so let's rewrite that parentheses here. 3 over 2 plus 4 over 3. Okay, if we get the least common denominator, because that's the way we add and subtract, unlike fractions with different denominators, if we get the least common multiple between 3 and 6, the least common multiple is 6. So I have to make the 2 become 6, so I multiply times 3 and the number up as well. And I have to make the 3 become 6, so I multiply times 2. Both fractions, okay? So the first fraction becomes 9 over 6 plus 8 over 6. 9 over 6 plus 8 over 6 is 17 over 6. This is the answer of my parentheses. So I'll bring the answer to my exercise. So far we have 13 over 4 minus the answer of the parentheses. In this case is 17 over 6. 17 over 6. And I cannot simplify 17 over 6 because 17 is a prime number and 6 is not a prime number. Okay? So let's continue working on this. Now I have to subtract 13 over 4 minus 17 out of 6. It's the same situation. I'm going to raise here my workout space. In a while, I will erase everything here. Okay, let's do it. So I'm going to rewrite 13 over 4 minus 17 out of 6. So remember, the first step to solve a subtraction is the same than solving an addition. We need to get the least common denominator between 4 and 6, or the least common multiple. The least common multiple between 4 and 6 is 12. So I make the 4 becomes 12, so I multiply times 3, and this one times 3 as well. Okay? How do I make the 6 becomes 12, I multiply times 2. Okay, multiply 13 times, everything times 2 and times 3. So let's see what happened with the first fraction. The first fraction becomes 13 times 3 is 39 over 4 times 3, which is 12, minus 17 times 4, times 2, sorry, is 34, and 6 times 2, 12. Now we have like fractions with the same denominator, so we subtract the numerators and we keep the same denominator. So we keep the same denominator, 39 minus 34 is, 39 minus 34 is 5. Oh, yeah. So the final answer is going to be 5 over 12. And that's the simplest form. Why? Because 5 is only divisible by 5, and 12 is not divisible by 5. 12 is divisible by 2 and 3, but 5 is not divisible by 2, neither by 3. So nothing we can do. 5 over 12 is the answer in the simplest form. Okay? Guys, thanks for watching this video. I will record another one explaining how to work with fractions. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you stay here the whole video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video that I will record. Bye-bye.